Tired of constantly misplacing your keys, wallets, or bag? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is the ultimate solution you've been searching for to keep track of your most valuable items. This isn't just any tracker. With Apple's incredible precision finding and ultra-wideband technology, you'll be guided right to your lost item's exact location, even in a cluttered room. Setting up your new AirTag is ridiculously simple. It's a one-tap process that pairs instantly with your iPhone, getting you ready to go in mere seconds. Plus, these little lifesavers are IP67 water and dust resistant, meaning they're built to handle splashes in everyday wear without a hitch. What truly makes the AirTag special is its seamless integration into the vast, secure Apple Find My network, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide to help you locate your belongings. If you're serious about never losing your essentials again and want that extra peace of mind, this is a smart investment. Ready to simplify your life? You can purchase your own Apple AirTag 4-pack today by clicking the link in the description below. Seriously, for unparalleled convenience and the best tracking precision, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have electronic for 2025.